Hello, explorers of the unknown. Welcome to Dr. Carmenatty's channel, where we unravel the mysteries of science, technology, and the human mind. Today, we dive into a mind-bending question that could reshape how we understand artificial intelligence. Do foundation models, those powerful engines behind today's AI revolution, truly grasp the world the way we do? Buckle up, because we're about to embark on a thrilling journey through the cosmos of machine learning, probing the very heart of what these models know. If you're new to this topic or a seasoned tech enthusiast, I promise you'll leave this video with your curiosity ignited and your perspective shifted. Let's dive in. The cosmic puzzle of foundation models. Imagine a machine that can predict the next word in a sentence, compose poetry, or even chart the path of a planet across the night sky. Sounds like magic, doesn't it? But here's the kicker. These machines, known as foundation models, don't just predict, they're supposed to uncover deeper truths about the world, much like how Johannes Kepler's stargazing led to Newton's laws of gravity centuries ago. Those celestial predictions weren't just guesses, they revealed the hidden mechanics of the universe. Today we ask, can AI do the same? Can it move beyond clever predictions to truly understand the world's underlying rules? Or are we overhyping these digital oracles, mistaking their tricks for wisdom? This question isn't just academic, it's a high-stakes drama unfolding at the frontier of technology. What are foundation models, anyway? Let's start at the beginning. Foundation models are the heavyweights of modern AI. Think of models like GPT, Gemini, or those powering your favorite chatbots. These systems train on massive datasets, gobbling up text, images, and more to learn patterns. They excel at tasks like writing essays, answering questions, or even generating art. But here's where it gets juicy. Developers claim these models don't just memorize data, they build internal world models, mental maps of how the world works. Picture Kepler sketching orbits, not just to predict where Mars would appear, but to grasp the invisible forces guiding it. The promise of foundation models is similar. They should understand the rules behind the data, not just parrot it back. But do they? That's the million-dollar question. The inductive bias probe, a new way to test AI's mind. Enter a groundbreaking study that's shaking up the AI world. A team of researchers, Kion Vafa, Peter G. Chang, Ashesh Rambachan, and Senthil Malainathan, published a paper titled "What Has a Foundation Model Found? Using Inductive Bias to Probe for World Models." They've devised a bold new method to test whether these AI giants truly understand the world or if they're just faking it. Their approach, called an inductive bias probe, is like a cosmic lie detector for AI. Here's how it works. They create synthetic datasets based on a specific world model, a set of rules mimicking real-world systems, like planetary orbits or economic trends. Then, they train foundation models on these datasets and watch how the models adapt to new, related tasks. If the model truly understands the underlying rules, it should adapt effortlessly, like a scientist applying Newton's laws to a new problem. But if it's just memorizing patterns, it'll stumble when the task changes. The shocking results. AI's Achilles heel. Now brace yourself for the drama. The researchers tested foundation models across multiple domains: physics, economics, even social systems. They expected these models to shine, to reveal their inner Newton by adapting flawlessly to new tasks. But the results? Stunning. The models nailed their training tasks, predicting patterns with eerie accuracy. Yet, when asked to adapt to new challenges based on the same underlying rules, they faltered. Take physics, for example. The team trained models on orbital trajectories, hoping they'd grasp the principles of Newtonian mechanics, just as Kepler's work paved the way for Newton's breakthroughs. But when the models faced new physics tasks, they didn't apply those principles. Instead, they acted like students who memorized the textbook but failed the pop quiz. This isn't just a glitch, it's a revelation. Foundation models, for all their brilliance, might not be building the deep world models we thought they were. Why this matters? The stakes are sky high. Why should you care? Let's zoom out. Foundation models power everything from medical diagnostics to self-driving cars. If these systems don't truly understand the world, if they're just mimicking patterns without grasping the rules, disaster could strike. Imagine an AI doctor misdiagnosing a patient because it can't adapt its knowledge to a new disease. Or a self-driving car misjudging a curve because it never learned the physics of motion. The gap between prediction and understanding isn't just a nerdy detail, it's a ticking time bomb. This study forces us to confront a chilling possibility. We might be building AI that's brilliant but shallow, a house of cards waiting to collapse under real-world complexity. Breaking it down, the science of inductive bias. Let's unpack this inductive bias probe a bit more, because it's the star of this show. Inductive bias is a fancy term for the assumptions a model makes about the world. When you teach a child that 2 + 2 = 4, they don't just memorize that fact. They learn the concept of addition, which they can apply to 3 + 3 or 10 + 10. That's inductive bias at work, the ability to generalize from specific examples to broader rules. The researchers hypothesized that foundation models, trained on vast datasets, should develop inductive biases that mirror the world's true mechanics. To test this, they crafted synthetic worlds with clear rules, like orbits following Newton's laws, and watched how the models performed. The results exposed a gap. The models learned the patterns, but not the principles. It's as if Kepler could predict planetary paths, but never imagined gravity. A cosmic analogy. Kepler, Newton, and AI. Think back to Kepler and Newton. Kepler didn't just predict where planets would be, he sought the why behind their motion. His work laid the foundation for Newton to discover gravity, a universal law that explained not just orbits, but everything from falling apples to tides. Foundation models, in theory, should follow a similar path. Their predictions should reveal deeper truths. But this study suggests they're stuck at the Kepler stage, predicting without understanding. This isn't to say AI is a failure. Far from it. It's a wake-up call to push these models further, to bridge the gap between pattern recognition and true comprehension. What's next for AI? So where do we go from here? The researchers' findings don't spell doom for AI. They light a path forward. We need to rethink how we train these models, focusing not only on data quantity, but also on fostering a deeper understanding. Imagine training AI not just to predict stock prices, but to grasp fundamental economic principles, or not just to mimic human speech, but to understand emotions. This study serves as a rallying cry for scientists, engineers, and dreamers to push AI beyond its current limitations. It's a challenge to build machines that don't just mimic the world, but truly see it, the way Newton saw gravity in a falling apple. Your role in this revolution, this is where you come in. Whether you're a coder, a student, or just someone fascinated by AI, you're part of this journey. Dive into the paper yourself. It's linked in the description. Read it, question it, discuss it. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Do you think AI can ever truly understand the world like humans do? Or are we chasing a digital mirage? Your voice matters in this conversation. And if this video sparked your curiosity, hit that like button to spread the word and subscribe to join our community of explorers. Together, we'll keep peeling back the layers of this AI mystery. The story of foundation models is far from over. Like Kepler gazing at the stars, we're at the edge of discovery, peering into a future where AI might not just predict, but understand. The drama of this moment lies in its uncertainty. Will we unlock the secrets of machine intelligence, or will we find limits we can't cross? One thing's certain, the answers lie in bold questions, relentless curiosity, and a willingness to challenge what we think we know. So let's keep asking, keep probing, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The universe of AI is vast, and we've only just begun to explore it. Thank you for joining me on this wild ride. If this video made you think, share it with a friend. Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read every single one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Together, let's uncover the truth behind AI's mind. Until next time, keep questioning, keep exploring, and I'll see you in the next video.